This is how to export video in Premiere Pro. Scroll up here to File, scroll down and select Export and select Media, and this export window will pop up. But if you prefer keyboard shortcut, hit Ctrl+M on your keyboard, and once again the export window will pop up. The next thing you want to do right next to File is to choose your file name. So give this any name you prefer, and next you can choose your location by selecting this green text over here. I'm just going to select a random location and hit Save. Under Preset, scroll down and select Match Source Adaptive High Bitrate, as this will save our file with the highest quality. Next, under Format, you want to choose H.264 because this will save your video as MP4, which is the most commonly used video type. To improve video quality, check Render at Maximum Depth. If you do not see this, you want to make sure that your video tab is turned on. Scroll down and select Render at Maximum Depth and select Use Maximum Render Quality. Next, hit the export to save your file in your PC.